Okay. So last class में we done about direction cosines. Direction cosine क्या है? Along x direction, the a vector को if we resolve in x direction, y direction, z direction, ax, ay and az. How much angle this the vector ka alpha is angle along the x axis, beta is angle along y axis, and gamma is angle along z axis. At that time, what is direction cosine is nothing but cos alpha. Cos alpha is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse ax by a. This is nothing but magnitude only. I'm talking about magnitude. Okay. So uska formula also we learned. What is the formula? Ax is nothing but a cos alpha. Ay is a cos beta. Az is a cos gamma. And we learn the formula cos square plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Okay. And from this, what is cos alpha? Cos alpha. How to find direction cosine along the x direction means vector A, matlab magnitude by magnitude. This is magnitude, right? This is nothing but magnitude. Okay. This vector ka, this is not magnitude, but vector ka magnitude. Okay. So this is magnitude, right? This is magnitude, magnitude. So cos beta from this, what is the cos beta? Formula is ay by mod A. And cos gamma is az by mod A. This is the formula. Suppose they given like this exam में they given b vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Then how to find the direction cosines of this vector? How to find cos alpha is first find the magnitude. You know how to find the magnitude? Under root. How to find magnitude A? Mod A कैसा आएगा? Under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. This is called magnitude, right? And what is the formula? Ax by mod A. So ax by under root this one ax square plus ay square plus az square. Similarly, cos beta is ay by this total. Cos gamma is az by total. So this one you copy down. उसका बाजू में लिख लो. They'll give a vector. They will tell to find direction cosines. You know direction cosine is cos alpha, but how to solve the thing is this one. Remaining these all things last class you wrote only cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma लिखो az by mod A. And mod you know how to find, right? Simply root of a square. Tell me 2i cap plus 3j cap. How to find magnitude of A? Magnitude of A will be under root 4 plus iska square is 9. So under root 13 is the answer. Like that we have to calculate magnitude. This is the orthogonal unit vectors. Cartesian form बोलते हैं इसको. क्या बोलते हैं? Cartesian form. When they given in along the I cap, J cap, K cap, the Cartesian form में we can find the magnitude by using this formula. Okay, done. चलो, now इसके बेस पे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. हाँ करो. Find the direction cosines of the vector A is given. A is equal to 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. I want to find the direction cosines. Direction cosines means simply cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, खत्म. So compare with ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. First find the magnitude. Mod a. Mod a कितना आएगा? Under root 25 plus 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16. So under root 20, 45, huh? 4, 16. So 20, 45. Khatam. Now cos alpha is how much? 5 by root 45. Root 45 can write as 3 root 5. So 5 by 3 root 5. Okay, after simplify छोड़ो. इसका 2 by, because formula क्या है? Cos beta is ay by mod a. Cos gamma is az by mod a. Magnitude find करो, सबका formula use करो. That's it. Ay is how much? 2 by mod a is 3 root 5. And cos gamma is 4 by mod a is nothing but 3 root 5. This is the direction cosines. Whenever the given vector, direction cosines are nothing but cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Then? Chalo.
One sec.
Yeah. If I see cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, if you add square, if you do square, here 25 plus 4 plus 16. So 45 by 145 whole square is 45. So 45 by 45 is 1. So this is always satisfied. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is always 1. Okay. Short form I write down. No need of writing so much. Neha. Okay.
Done.
Next one. Next one. Represent the following unit vector. You know how to represent, right? X direction में you should take as I cap, Y direction में J cap, Z direction में K cap, right? हाँ करो.
Sir, 5I cap, 3J cap.
Yes. So vector has magnitude 5 and in the direction is along the x-axis. I told you, along the x-axis, we have to put a unit vector, I cap. So magnitude vector, see, vector has both magnitude and direction. Direction is given A cap. Magnitude is 5 units they given and direction is given by unit vector. Along x direction, you should put A cap. 5 I cap is answer. Similarly, 3 units, vector B मान लो, vector B, 3 units and y axis में it is j cap. If it is negative y axis, we should put minus j cap like that. Okay. Next. Tell point A having coordinates 4, 2. So what? How to write in vector form? X में 4,
4I cap,
y में
2
so,
J cap.
yes, 4 I cap plus 2 j cap.
Minus
Vector
2
B
I
has
cap, 3 J cap.
yes, minus 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. These are called orthogonal unit vectors. X direction में I cap you have to put, Y direction में J cap, Z direction में K cap. I told you, when the unit vector का काम only to indicate the direction only. To indicate direction. Direction is given by unit vector. Okay. Next. Now careful से करने का. Find the magnitude and direction of the following vectors. Direction I want only positive x-axis से direction I want. Positive x-axis के theta I want. Okay. So देखो. Suppose first vector I will tell you, try to do. 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. So if you write in vector form, y axis, x axis. Tell me vector form में 3i cap plus 4j cap मतलब 3 in x direction and 4 in y direction. This is the resultant, right? 3i cap plus 4j cap. Now find the magnitude. This is a vector A. 3, 4, right? Units coordinates of 3, 4. Okay. How to find magnitude? How to find magnitude? Under root?
3 square plus 4 square whole root.
3 square is 9 plus 16. So it is under
5.
25 is 5. Okay. Magnitude aa gaya. That only told. Find the magnitude of each vector. Okay. Direction. Direction means positive x-axis say how much angle the vector is there. That direction I want. Theta I want. You can use trigonometry. What
Yeah.
is tan theta? Tan theta
4 by 3.
is equal to 4 by 3. Khatam. This is the angle. And theta is how much? 4 by 3 means opposite bigger hai. Huh. Two special angles I told you.
53 degrees.
Theta equal to 53 degrees. Yes, first one done. Now do second one, third one, fourth one. With respect to positive x-axis only I want. Second आने के बाद बोला angle.
So 30 degrees.
30 degrees, but not 30, wrong. I want with respect to positive x-axis, I want angle total.
Oh,
angle.
150 degree.
No, wrong. देखो second one. Y-axis, x-axis. Minus 2i cap. मतलब x में negative में you will go minus 2 and then plus 2j. मतलब like this, right? Here and here. The vector is like this, right? So this is 2, this is 2 root 3. Okay. I want from where the angle, the vector I want, this angle I want. From here to here, this angle I want. Theta. मतलब this vector is there, right? B vector. B vector, x-axis है, positive x-axis है. How much angle the B vector is there? That angle.
Sir, 120 degrees.
Yes, 120 correct. Okay. Now you can take this as some alpha. So what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to opposite by adjacent. So root 3. So root 3 means theta equal to 60 degrees. This is 60. This remaining will be 180 minus 60 is 120 degrees. So 120 degrees. And you know magnitude how to find also, right? B vector ka magnitude is under root this square 4 plus iska square will be 2 root 3 whole square is 4 into 3 12. It is 16 root is 4.
4.
Yeah. I'll try for that one.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, third one.
Should we take the smallest angle or the bigger angle?
Only.
Sir,
Smallest angle you should take.
okay.
Third one, how much you got? Magnitude था गया ना?
2 root 3.
2 root 3
2 root 2, 2 root 2.
2 root 2. Fine.
1 minute. 45 degree.
The vector is like this. The C vector is like so 2 and 2. You can take this alpha.
Sir, you're lagging.
Yeah, can you, 1 minute, I'll join. Can you able to hear? Yeah, can you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
Sir,
angle is
135 degrees.
135 degrees, huh? Why
Yeah.
135? Tell me.
Because
Why 135?
tan theta is 2 by 2.
2 by 2 is angle, magnitude is how much? Angle is how much? 45, right?
45, yeah.
Now I want this vector from where positive x-axis say the vector C vector I want.
Oh,
This angle I want. So 180 plus 45. It is 225.
okay.
No, correct. Third one should be correct करने का. How much? Fourth one.
Sir, root 12.
Okay, angle I want. Okay. Root 3 I cap मतलब x axis में root 3 and minus 3. This vector is like this is a d vector. So this is root 3. This is 3. Okay, this is alpha. I want from here to here angle. Okay. Also x axis this angle I want.
300 degree.
So this is 60, 300 degrees. Okay. Understood? So we should know how to find the direction, how to find the magnitude. Under root करने का, that's it, simply under root this square plus this square, under root this square plus this square. ऐसा. Okay. Next. A vector is given, B vector is given, the vector having the same magnitude of B and parallel to A. I want to find a new vector. Uska magnitude should be same as B and it should be parallel to A. So you have to find a C vector, मान लो. You have to find a new vector such a way that इस vector का magnitude should be same as B, मतलब mod B, and parallel to A. Parallel to A means unit vector should be in the direction of A, मतलब A cap. Right? समझ में आया? Understood?
Sir, can you explain again?
देखो, we have to find a vector having same magnitude as B. मतलब vector has both magnitude direction, right? He is telling you have to find a new vector. Uska magnitude should be B. That's why I put mod B.
Okay.
And parallel to A. You tell me parallel to A means the direction should be same as that of A direction only.
Yeah.
A vector ka direction. A vector ka direction means nothing but A cap.
A cap. Okay.
Now find the magnitude of B first. Under root 49 plus 576, right? 24 square is into A cap is vector A by mod A. Now solve. This is 625 is 25 into A vector is 3 I cap plus 4 J cap by
5.
mod A is 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 5 5 is 25. So it is 15 I cap
Plus
plus
20 J cap.
20 J cap. This is the new vector C vector. Way of asking will be different. See, question sincerely एक my materials है, एक क्वेश्चन भी नहीं छोड़ने का. चाहे तो वन क्लास में जो बच गया क्वेश्चंस आई विल डिस्कस, बट डोंट लीव एनी क्वेश्चंस इन दैट मटेरियल में. एग्जाम टाइम में फिर से रिवाइज करो, वो मटेरियल से पूरा रिवाइज कर लो. इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू. ऑल मिक्सिंग टुगेदर रहेगा, आपको अच्छा रहेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट. A boat is moving in the direction of vector with a speed of 10 meters per second. Okay, ये वेक्टर में डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, 10 meters per second स्पीड से आ रहा है. I want velocity vector of a boat can be expressed as. Right. Velocity means velocity vector we write, right? Velocity is nothing but magnitude and direction. It has magnitude and direction. Okay. Magnitude of velocity is nothing but speed only. Speed is 10, right? So magnitude I'm putting 10. Now direction. डायरेक्शन किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है? इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ बोर्ड का डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है ना, ये वाला बोर्ड का डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. नथिंग बट यूनिट वेक्टर. टेल मी यूनिट वेक्टर इसका. वेक्टर ए बाय
Mod of it.
mod a. So mod a is nothing but 5 only.
Yeah.
So 5 to the 10. So it is
Minus 8 I cap plus 6 J cap.
6 j cap. Yeah. Next. Now addition of vectors in Cartesian form. I told you Cartesian form बोले तो आपको simply I cap J cap terms में जो भी है that is called Cartesian form. Okay. Now see, we have to add vectors in Cartesian form. That is very easy. Suppose मान लो A vector is given as AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap. B vector is given as, ठीक है, B vector is given as BX I cap, BY J cap plus BZ K cap. Now this is Cartesian form. Cartesian form means we have to write in I cap, J cap, K cap terms. Okay. Now simply A plus B करें तो कैसे करेगा टेल में? दो वेक्टर के ऐड करने का. The resultant is also vector only. So simply AX plus BX I cap plus AY plus BY J cap plus AZ plus BZ K cap. This is the thing we have to add. Addition of Cartesian form means simply add the two vectors I cap, j cap, k cap. Simply add. Copy down. Like terms we have to add. Simple language में like terms only I cap only we can add j cap, j cap. Rehan, suppose A vector is given as 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. B vector is given as 5 I cap plus 6 j cap. Tell me what is A vector plus B vector? I only we should add. So 2 plus 5 is 7 I cap plus j only we should add. Like terms only we should add, right? That is only Cartesian form. So 6 plus 3 is 9 j cap. Khatam, this is only. Cartesian form is nothing but simply addition of I cap, j cap, k cap, k cap.
Okay.
चलो न्यूमेरिकल्स करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन इट. हाँ करो. Two forces are acting simultaneously at a point. मतलब it is acting in the same direction. What is the magnitude of resultant force? What is the magnitude of resultant force? Find करो. Two vectors are acting in the simultaneously at a point. मतलब same direction में two forces are acting. I want what is the magnitude of resultant force? Same direction means simply add, right? F1 vector plus F2 vector. Add करो. That in Cartesian form, right? How much?
Sir, 3 I cap plus 7 J cap plus 4 K cap.
3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 4 k cap. You're asking magnitude of this resultant force. Mod F you're asking. हाँ करो. कितना आएगा?
Root 74.
9 plus 49 plus 16. So it is root 25 24. Yes. Understanding? See, same thing only. Like thoda, they will add the old concepts also. Find a unit vector of a plus b and a minus b. मतलब first we have to find a plus b and then find the unit vector of a plus b का. Similarly, second a minus b करो, उसका unit vector find करो. A vector plus b vector, simply add. So like terms add करो. I is 5 I cap minus 3 j cap plus k cap. Now he's asking unit vector of this one. A vector plus b vector का cap a cap. So what is the formula unit vector का? Vector A by mod A. So A vector plus B vector by mod A vector plus B vector. Find करो. How much you got first one? 5i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap by mod कितना है? Just 9 plus 1. So 35, right? 235.
Root 35.
235 को anything you can write?
No, sir, it's 5 and
Ah.
7.
Yeah. Next a minus b का यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करो. Subtract, Rehan. A minus b means this vector minus this vector करके then find a cap. What is the formula for unit vector will be? A cap का formula will be vector a by mod a. You know how to find mod. ये use करने का. You're asking for a minus b. So first a minus b करो. This minus this. So 2i minus 3 is minus I cap minus j minus of minus plus j cap plus 3k minus of minus. So it is plus 5k cap. So cut on it. Plus j 2i minus minus j. Now इसका unit vector cap vector a by mod a, vector a by mod a. Vector is minus I cap plus j cap plus 5k cap by mod a under root 1 plus 1 plus 25. So 26, 27. So minus I cap plus j cap plus 5k cap by root 27. This is answer. Unit vector का find करना आने का it's simple. Vector a by mod a is a formula. Unit vector का काम क्या है? To indicate the direction. That's it. उसका magnitude is 1. ये पूरा होने के बाद देन ओनली प्रोडक्ट में इंटरवल है. एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड सम अदर कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ दैट उसका करने के बाद देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर प्रोडक्ट. सो नेक्स्ट हाँ ट्राई करो देखते हैं. ए वेक्टर एक्स
Can you go
व्हेन
back?
जल्दी करो.
Oh, done.
Next. Vector x when added to the resultant of two vectors give a unit vector along y direction. Find the vector x. Try करो. Resultant of vectors is nothing but 2 add करने का. A vector x when added to the resultant of two vectors. Consider it first. Last में कॉपी करने का नहीं है. देखो क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. क्या देख रहे हो उधर? Somewhere you're doing. Last में
I'm just trying to copy the question down. So
copy the question नहीं है. Directly do the solution. Don't copy the questions.
So that like I can see later and then I'll see what to do.
Videos are there. Their videos are there. You can check. Presently, do the questions. What copying? A vector x when added to the resultant of two vectors. So one vector x is there. I am added to the resultant of two vectors. We are adding resultant. Okay. Gives equal to unit vector along y direction. Y direction unit vector is j cap. At the time he is asking what is the value of x. X vector plus resultant. Resultant means simply add the two vectors. Resultant means add the two vectors. 3 plus 2 is 5i minus 5j plus 4j. So minus j plus 7k minus 3k plus 4k. Okay, is equal to j cap. So j cap समझ में आया? It gives a unit vector along y direction. Gives means equal to, along y direction unit vector is j cap. He's indirectly making like linear equations जैसा. This one is equal to this one. He's telling to find x. Now bring all to this side हो जाएगा. X is equal to minus 5 I cap minus j उधर गए तो plus j हो जाएगा. So plus 2j and plus 4k उधर गए तो minus 4k. Got answer? Go.
So there'll be nothing in the root form.
No, no
Like
root form.
denominator. Okay.
No, vector is asking. Vector है. Next. So question understand. Understand and we have to form the equation. Because recently NEET was done Sunday.
Oh.
Mari people, one of my student actually out of 720, actually NEET will be 720 marks ka paper. One of my student is getting 670 marks. Matlab definitely first of all she will get a free seat, 100% sure. And दूसरा she may get in all India rank में below some 1000 होने तो पता नहीं, but all India rank something आएगा इसमें. So मरी उनका specialized क्या है? She will do all the questions. There is no, first of all, mind में से कचरा निकलेगा. There is, she is not don't have any Instagram नहीं, Facebook नहीं, YouTube channel नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है. Fully एक एक मॉड्यूल लेके आराम से क्वेश्चंस करता करता फुल कंसंट्रेशन. दैट्स इट. देयर इज नो अदर थिंग. पीवीक्यूज देने दो, कुछ भी देने दो. व्हाटएवर द वर्क आई यूज्ड टू गिव 2 इयर्स किया सिंसियरली, फुल एफर्ट से. कितना होमवर्क दिया उतना करता था, और नहीं दिया तो भी शी यूज्ड टू डू क्वेश्चंस एंड एवरीथिंग. मरी नाउ शी इज सक्सेस. नाउ 670 आ रहे तो देखो कितना अच्छा. रैंक आने के मतलब रैंक आने को देन आई विल अगेन आई विल टेल द टाइम कितना मार्क्स आ रहा है बोल के. So thing is hard work, and starting only by seeing the we knows I told the parents also starting only पक्का आ जाएगा उसको रैंक आ जाएगा बोल के. इतना कंसंट्रेशन पावर आपको पॉजिटिवनेस आ जाएगा. इधर आपके पास से क्लास सुन के खत्म हो गया, 4 प्रॉब्लम किया, ये नहीं होगा वो नहीं होगा, कैसा होगा तो क्या नहीं होगा. आपको क्या होगा लास्ट में समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपको नहीं होगा बोल के. ऐसा नहीं, फुल फोकस करो. डू ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन ऑफ द मॉड्यूल नाइसली. You have to ask the questions. इनका ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस चाहिए बोले तो I will give more and more questions. Okay, but मॉड्यूल खत्म करने का कैसा भी करके कोशिश करो. बिकॉज आपको सोचेगा कि टाइम है बोल के, बट टाइम नहीं रहेगा, देखते देखते निकल जाएगा. एंड फर्स्ट पीपल मोस्टली क्या करेगा मालूम है? फर्स्ट ईयर दे विल वेस्ट. पीपल विल वेस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर कंप्लीटली. Always people generally they will understand slowly second year में they will understand. अरे मैं फर्स्ट ईयर खराब कर दिया, अब सेकेंड ईयर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करेगा बोल के सोचेगा. बट सेकेंड ईयर में पीपल कॉलेज विल गो वेरी फास्ट बिकॉज सेकेंड ईयर में जनवरी में देयर इज ए एग्जाम. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट विल बी देयर. सो दे विल कंप्लीट विद इन 2-3 months में. दे विल ट्राई टू फिनिश द पोर्शन 3-4 months पे 15 chapters. मतलब कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा, ये भी खराब हो वो भी खराब हो जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई फर्स्ट ईयर सिंसियरली बाय मॉड्यूल वाइज बिलीव करके शी डन बिलीव करके ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन मॉड्यूल में किया है पूरा. दैट्स इट, खत्म क्लास गॉट. सो ट्राई टू डू. ओके, नेक्स्ट. वेक्टर A is 2 centimeters long and 60 degrees above x-axis. So analyze the picture. So y-axis, x-axis. Vector A is there, which is 2 centimeters long. It is 60 degrees above the x-axis. In the first quadrant में है. Vector B is 2 centimeters long and 60 degrees below the x-axis and is fourth quadrant. This is B vector. 60 degrees below the x-axis, and this is also 2 centimeters magnitude. He is asking the sum of A plus B is a vector of magnitude. He is asking simply A plus B vector का magnitude is asking. After finding A plus B, then find magnitude. Try करो. This is the concept of resolution of vectors. Resolution of vectors. You have to write A vector in the form of x direction, y direction, and put I cap, j cap. A आ जाएगा. Then similarly B vector, you have to write x direction, y direction, B vector आ जाएगा. Then add करो. देखते हैं. Understood right? आपको अनिक हाँ करो.
Yes. Sir, 4 answer.
Answer 4.
Yeah.
Why 4? Wrong.
Oh.
A vector is how much you got?
Sir, I tried another method.
Oh, no. This is called resolution of vectors. We have to resolve the components. And when resolving very carefully, for B vector, when you resolve, like this, if you incident, there is nothing but a positive x-axis. But when you resolve in the y direction, is negative y-axis. So we have to put minus j cap here, B vector. That should be careful. करो. So A vector will write, A vector will be 2 cos theta, 2 cos 60, 2 sin 60. 2 cos 60 I cap plus y direction, positive y direction, right? 2 sin 60 j cap. Now coming to B vector, this direction is 2 cos 60 I cap. Down direction is minus 2 sin 60 j cap. Minus समझ में आ रहा? It is coming below the y axis. Now करो. First A vector is how much in terms of vector form में? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 2 to
I cap.
cancel I cap. इसका plus
Root 3.
root 3 j cap. Okay, B vector
I cap minus root 3.
minus root 3 j cap. Now A plus B will be 2 I cap. That's it, right? Magnitude will be
2 I cap by 2.
no, magnitude how to find root of. So magnitude of this limit under root A square plus B square. B square is for नहीं ना. Under root 4 is 2. Good answer. First we are doing addition of 2 vectors at a time. बाद में 3 vectors करेंगे. Cartesian form में we are adding. और one more class में addition सब पूरा done. Next we have to enter into the product. By next week done. Vectors पूरा हो जाएगा. उसके बाद फिर से रिवाइज करके some questions extra questions I'll give. वो करके then test लेंगे. As per JEE mains pattern I will take test. So don't waste time at home. You are the only game changer means आपका responsibility है. Whatever you want to study, each and every question understand the meaning and do. There is no boundary limit in this exam में ये question आएगा ऐसा नहीं, boundary limit नहीं है. So you have to understand the basic concept. ऐसा models वाला पकड़ो आ जाएगा आपको. Okay. चलो. Now addition of 3 or more vectors we'll see. Addition of 3 or more vectors we'll see. देखो. A body acted upon 3 given forces under equilibrium. What is meaning of equilibrium means? Equilibrium means?
Like equal conditions.
No. Equilibrium means net force will be 0. Net force will be 0. मतलब the body is not moving. उसके ऊपर forces are acting. But net force will be 0. Balancing. मतलब A force and A force तीनों net force से the body is not moving. Okay. That is called equilibrium. So F1 is they given as 10 Newton. F2 they given as magnitude of 6 newtons and angle 37 degrees theta they given. Find the value of F3. Is telling to find F3 and theta. Theta is telling to find express F2 in vector form. Okay. First we have to find F3 and F2. Equilibrium means I told you net force is zero. मतलब net force is zero. मतलब क्या है? आपको x डायरेक्शन का समेशन का फोर्स इज जीरो. मतलब सी F1 vector I will tell you. Net force means F1 vector plus F2 vector plus F3 vector का sum is zero. Net force is zero means total vector का force sum is zero. Okay. Now vector F1, F2, F3 means x direction force is also zero, y direction force also zero. Right? So आपको दो condition है ना. So x direction का resultant x direction का it is zero and similarly resultant in y direction is zero. Resultant in y direction is zero. Now x direction का forces means nothing but f1x vector plus f2x vector plus f3x vector तीन ही force है ना is equal to zero. Now tell me f1 x direction में tell me what is the f1 का x direction force कितना है? Vector magnitude I'm talking about. Tell me f1 is 10 right? 10 का इस तरफ कंपोनेंट चाहिए x डायरेक्शन कंपोनेंट बिकॉज नेट फोर्स इन x डायरेक्शन भी जीरो है नेट फोर्स इन y डायरेक्शन आल्सो जीरो दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्विलिब्रियम इक्विलिब्रियम मींस नेट फोर्स इन ऑल डायरेक्शन जीरो z डायरेक्शन भी जीरो है सो x डायरेक्शन का फोर्सेस सभी का सम इक्वल टू जीरो कर रहा हूं हो जाएगा नाउ टेल मी 10 का व्हाट इज द कंपोनेंट ऑफ 10 अलोंग x डायरेक्शन टेल मी कितना है अनिक बोलो व्हाट इज द कंपोनेंट ऑफ 10 अलोंग y डायरेक्शन ये थीटा है ना resolution of which
Sin
cos 10 cos
10
37 and इस तरफ
10
वाला x
sin
direction
37.
हाँ so 10 sin 37 हो गया x direction में f2 in x direction tell me f2 in x direction कितना होगा देखो 6 का
6 cos theta.
6 cos theta is this direction
Yeah,
is
6 sin theta.
but it is minus right in this direction is right
Yeah,
component minus है ना so minus 6 sin theta. Okay. Now F3 in x direction kitna tell me? F3 in x direction is how much? There is no component in x direction.
so
Right?
0, no?
0. Now find theta. Now find theta. You're telling to find theta in F3, right? Find theta. So sin 37 is 3 by 5 minus 6. उस तरफ गया तो plus 6 sin theta. So 6 by 6 is 1. So sin theta is 1.
90
मतलब
degree.
थीटा इज 90 degrees. So थीटा आ गया. Now second condition क्या है? Resultant of y direction is 0. Resultant y direction is 0 means f1y vector plus f2y vector plus f3y vector is equal to 0. So now tell me f1y vector is how much? f1y direction is कितना होगा? 10 का इस तरफ का y direction में. Now we have to add all the forces in y direction equal to 0. Tell me.
10 cos theta equal
10 cos 37 plus y f2 in y direction is 6
6 cos theta.
6 cos
theta is 90 right
Yeah,
6
6
cos
cos 90.
90 and y direction negative y direction में
0.
minus f3 y direction है ना
Yeah,
this
okay.
f3 is in y direction is equal to 0 so cos 37 is
Sir,
कितना
cos 90 is 0, no?
cos ये तो 0 है so f3 is equal to tell me 10 into cos 37 is 4 by
5 by 4 by 3.
4 by 5
Yeah, 5.
so 8 newtons the
8.
answer. 3 vectors we are adding at equilibrium condition में net force is 0 all resultant in x direction resultant is 0 मतलब net force is 0 this only equilibrium means computer मुझे मॉड्यूल में अदर देन प्रोडक्ट यू ट्राई टू फिनिश ऑल द एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन पूरा पूरा करो मॉड्यूल्स में, मेरा मॉड्यूल में.
डन सर.
ओके, एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे खत्म हो जाएगा. सेम मॉडल करो, नो करो. ए पार्टिकल इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम, दिस पार्टिकल इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम, मतलब नेट फोर्स इज जीरो in the presence of four forces. Now four forces are there, 1 2 3 4. Find f1 f2. f1 चाहिए, f2 चाहिए, and this is 1 Newton. So he told equilibrium, right? Equilibrium means net force is equal to 0. मतलब resultant in x direction is 0, resultant in y direction is 0, and z direction present तो resultant z direction also 0. Now write all the forces in x direction. Tell me directly, tell me what is the component of 1 along x direction?
1 sin 45.
Okay, good. Plus इसका along this direction
2 sin 45.
minus or plus?
minus
Minus.
Minus 2 sin 45. Okay. Now f1 is along the x direction only. So x direction f1 only. And f2 in x direction, there is no x direction, right?
Yeah.
It's got 0. So कितना होगा? Sin 45 1 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2 is equal to minus f1. So it is minus 1 by root 2 is equal to minus f1. Minus 1 by root 2 you got for first f1.
Yeah.
Now y direction बोलो. Y direction का. इसका y direction is
1 cos 45.
Okay. इसका y direction
2
plus
cos 45.
2 cos 45. इस force का y direction? It is only x direction. There is no component, right? So
Zero.
इसका वो तो 0 है. And f2 is in already y direction, but it is in downward direction.
Minus f2.
Equal 0. So how much? 1 by root 2 plus 2 by root 2 is equal to f2. So it is
3 by root 2.
खत्म. f1 f2 we got. Copy down. इसके बाद लेफ्ट तो ओनली पोजीशन वेक्टर एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर हो गया तो खत्म कहानी, पूरा हो गया. ओनली प्रोडक्ट इज लेफ्ट.